Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Sugasar, and today I just want to tell you a little bit more about what it's like to be in the homeschool program and different ways that you can stay organized, and also maybe what Moodle is, that kind of thing. So for my high school career, I basically use Google Keep. Um, it's like sticky notes, which you can use on your laptop. You can just quick search it and it'll come up. Um, and you can use those and they will stay on your computer. So if I quick go to them, they'll be right here. And you can use different fonts, you can make them bold, bigger, whatever, and then they just stay on your desktop, which is right here. You can also use these ones, which are in this different area. I think it's called a dashboard, yep. And you can basically use those as well. But I really like this Google Keep, which you can just, if you just type in Google Keep on Google, it comes up right here. And I really like it because it keeps all of your notes together in one place, and then you can color coordinate them. So if you wanted all of your history homework assignments, so if you have history, you can title it what it is. You can take a note about a homework assignment you have. You can also show check boxes. So if you have homework assignments that you need to get done, it would be right here. So do forum, maybe a writing assignment that you have, and then you can just hit done and they'll be right there. And then once you are done with that, all you have to do is just click it and then it crosses it off for you. You can also have reminders on your phone. You can get the app and it'll remind you. You can share the note with people. You can change the color. You can, I can't remember quite everything, but you can also add an image if you want. And that's basically it for that. For Moodle, it's pretty simple to use. You log in and you just use the same login that you have for your email, your Holland Christian email and password. They're all the same, and so you just hit login. This is just kind of the home page. There's a calendar here that I think will show you where all your assignments are as well, actually. But if you go over to here, it says My Courses, and that's where all of the courses that you're enrolled in will be. So each teacher can decide how to set up their page. So for my World Cultures class, she has like a picture, she has her information, and then there's all these different assignments that she's had. This is, usually she doesn't make them all like this, but and then there's different ways that you can upload to. So for this, you just add a submission and then you can choose a file from your computer to upload, and that's how you basically do that. Also, there are like forums that you might have to post to. Most of the time I find those in my English class that we have to do. So for example, I had this masks forum that was due on Wednesday. Well, I didn't have to do it because, yeah, anyway. And so basically all you have to do is add a new discussion topic, and then you would subject it mask forum, and then you would just, right here is where you would respond to what she's asking. And then I would always click uncheck this, because otherwise you'll get an email that says you have submitted this assignment and whatever, and it doesn't really make any sense for you to have those emails. And then all you have to do is post to the forum. I'm not going to, because I didn't have to do this assignment. And you can also comment on other people's. If you go to this one, all you have to do is reply, and then you would do exactly the same thing as you did for our normal forum. Power School is another way that we this is where you would check grades and such. So basically you use your username and password, the same one that you use for Moodle, and your email, your Holland Christian email, and that should just work right there. For me, I think the best way to keep all of my homework assignments that I needed to do put together, I put them on Google Drive, and then there you can create different folders, and then you can name what they are. So, and then when you have an assignment, you can just create a new document and you can title it whatever it is. Like this was a blog post that I had to do, and I just wrote it on here before uploading it to Moodle, and then maybe something else. Often our English teacher will often ask you to create another folder and have that one shared with her. So it's really nice to keep it all together in one place. Obviously, I have a lot of things that I didn't end up putting in those folders, but if that's just like a really nice way to keep all that stuff organized. But you can also use the folders that are on your desktop instead. So basically, I have the same thing that I have on Google Docs, but on my desktop. And so I have all of these different ones, and you can do the same thing and just use Pages or Office Word or whatever it is, basically. Another thing that I like to have open is you can add these different desktops. So for this one, I always have my Google Keep open, and usually like Moodle and my homework assignments that I need to get done. And then on this one, I have my emails, both of them, and then usually I keep my schedule up here, but since I'm done with school, I don't have that up right now. And then this one's just kind of random one, just in case I need to open another tab and I don't want to put it on here. Also, if you use Chrome, it's nice because it has this bookmark area at the top, and I have folders on there too. So as you can see, I can click on this, and then this will bring me to the Alex page, which is what we use for math. I bookmarked Moodle, Power School, there's also Google Classrooms, my Google Keep, just some other random things for school, and then like for Spanish, when you take it with the full-time students, they have a lot of online things that you need to use. So I have the homework page bookmarked, and then I have Quizlet and Kia and Google. No, it's not Google Translate. It's called Spanish Dictionary. Excuse me. So those are just different ways that you can keep everything that you want together on your bookmark page. And an easy way to bookmark something, for example, if I wanted to bookmark Power School, all you have to do is highlight this, and then on your laptop you just hit Command and then D, and then it'll say like bookmark added, and then you can decide where to put it, or if you just want it on your bookmark bar or whatever. So that's basically the only advice I'd have to you, is just to make sure that you're very organized and you keep everything together well on your computer, and don't procrastinate. Thank you.